looks like we're finished with that guy. That's the last we're gonna see of him.
Man, that guy's done.
Austin, check out this carriage register. And guess what? Jet pop. Oh. We got him! Come on, let's go! We need to get these to Johnny fast.
I can't believe we went through that stuff. All in a day's work, brother, all in a day's work. Let's go!
I'm not done with you guys yet!
Bye-bye, Superfly! Wow, what a doozy of a day this has been. Yeah, at least the doc said Johnny would be out at the hospital by tomorrow. Yeah, at least the doc said Johnny would be out at the hospital by tomorrow.